Welcome back everyone, stay tuned to see how I created this look. Just going to prime my eyelids first using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm going to be trying the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. I found it really easy to build up my first shade for my crease. There wasn't a lot of fallout either when I was doing this, and it blended really easily too. So I'm going in with my second shade now. I'm just doing this above where I placed the first shade. Again, not a lot of fallout either, and was really easy to blend the two colours together. This third shade I'm just using on the outer corner of my eye to create a little bit more depth. Again, easy to blend, not a lot of fallout either. Just applying the last shade now with my fingers because I find you get a lot more pigment this way. Now I'm just going to prime with my Dior Backstage Primer. Now onto foundation, I'm using the Fast Base Stick Foundation in F3. I found this foundation really easy to blend and really easy to get kind of medium to full coverage with it. What I applied with the stick, I didn't apply any extra to get the coverage that I achieved either. I'm trying the Fast Base Concealer in shade C0.5. This concealer blended out really nicely. It gave good coverage as well without it being too cakey or feeling too heavy as well. Covered up my dark circles really nicely. Now I'm going to use the Duo Brow Definer in medium brown. This brow pencil actually surprised me. It gave me really good definition, really good pigment as well without me having to kind of scribble in my brows too much. I was even able to put in my little hair-like strokes at the front of my brow with the same pencil too. I'm just going to do my lower lash line with one of the shades that I used in my crease. Now I'm going to be using the contour shade first out of the Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in Ultra Fair. This contour shade was really nice. It wasn't too orange or too kind of grey like you get with some other drugstore fair shades, and was really easy to blend out as well. For blush, similar shade with this blush as well. The colour was really nice. Again, really easy to blend out too. The highlight shade surprised me the most out of this whole little palette. It's really nicely pigmented, very blinding too, and I love a blinding highlight. Really easy to blend as well. This is the loose highlighter in Rose Quartz. Again, really pigmented as well. Nice and blinding too, which I love. Last but not least, lipstick. This is the iconic matte Nude in Expose. I love a really light pink nude, and they're really hard to find. They either wash me out or they're just too dark or too pink, but this is spot on. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video and loved the look that I created. In regards to Makeup Revolution, I definitely think I'm impressed with their products. They're really good quality without breaking the bank.